Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel CBSE Latest News 2021. The much awaited meeting which was scheduled today for 11 a.m. which will be deciding and which will be coming out with a legit and final decision regarding the board exams of class 12th studying at CBSE board 2021 has been started. Yes guys, the meeting has been started. So that was one thing but mainly I have done this video regarding one more update which was posted by News 18. It was posted at 10:55, 5 minutes prior to the meeting. It expected that the JEE main 2021 pending exam dates also may be decided today itself in the meeting which is held priorly or mainly to decide the fate of the CBSE class 12 board exams 2021. So let's read it. The April and May edition of the engineering entrance exam JEE mains have also been postponed. Yeah, they had also been postponed seeing the situation of country amidst the pandemic. A timeline on when the same will be held is expected to be announced after this meet. Yeah, after this meet, which is mainly regarding the dates or future of that board exams. But still, after this meeting, there will be a conclusion regarding this also. Currently, two sessions of the JEE main, February and March, have been held. Yeah, these two were held successfully. But while May and April sessions have been postponed indefinitely, it was from this year onwards that the exams were to be held 4 times a year. Yeah, this year the authority had taken an initiative to conduct the exams or JEE main exams 4 times per year as a relaxation offered to students as their academic session was marred by COVID-19. Yeah, the academic session was havoc was created by COVID-19 so that the students were not able to prepare to their level best. So the authority understood this and they had taken a great initiative to conduct it 4 times a year, but 2 times have been conducted successfully and the results are also out. But the remaining 2 times which had to be conducted on April and May is pending, and according to News 18 sources, the remaining dates will be out today itself, along with the much awaited decision regarding the dates of CBSE class 12th board exams. Some are saying it will be cancelled, but some are saying there is no chance of cancellation. But even in our previous video we have saw that since two windows are open for CBSE to conduct the board exams, one is conducting with a 90 minutes paper which contains objective type questions or MCQs, or other to conduct long term exam which only for conducting only for main subjects, not associate subjects and all. So this was it from my side. So the main updates of this video or the main headlines of this video are the meeting has been started and then the dates will be out. Most probably expected to be out today regarding the JEE main 2021 pending dates. Thank you guys, thank you. Subscribe to my channel to ensure latest updates on the exam postponement immediately. Yeah, immediately whenever there is any development in the meeting or whenever there is any issue regarding it, I'll be uploading a video so to get a notification, to be notified immediately as I upload a new video, kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video if you have liked it, share it to your friends so that they also will come to know about the expectation of JEE main remaining exam dates. So thank you guys, thank you, keep supporting, stay home, stay safe, keep studying. Thank you.